At Colonial Properties, managing our vacation rentals and ensuring an exceptional guest experience is our top priority. And to do that, we rely on two incredible tools, Brightside and Breezeway. First up, Brightside, our property management software. Brightside keeps everything organized in one place, from booking management to calendar oversight. It's simple, intuitive, and powerful. We love how easy it is to see occupancy, track reservations, and manage our inventory in real time. Brightside makes running nearly 200 properties feel seamless.
Next, Breezeway, our property operations software. This is where the magic happens behind the scenes. Breezeway handles guest messaging, cleaning schedules, maintenance requests, and property inspections. Its automated checklists and messaging tools means nothing falls through the cracks. The result? Our vacation rentals are always guest ready and our team is always informed. What makes Brightside and Breezeway truly remarkable is how well they work together. The integration is seamless, so information flows smoothly from bookings to operations. This means our team spends less time on repetitive tasks and more time on ensuring every guest has an amazing stay.
The support team for both Brightside and Breezeway are incredible. Whenever we have a question or need help, they're right here with us. And the ease of use is amazing. Our team got up to speed quickly, and now everything runs like clockwork. Brightside and Breezeway, the tools we trust to keep our properties running smoothly and our guests coming back.